THINKDIAG is a portable and intelligent OBD2 dongle with full OE level diagnostic functions for car owners, DIYers, and mechanics. Via Bluetooth, connect with your smartphone. THINKDIAG is your professional-grade diagnostic scanner in your hand. Besides the standard full OBD2 functions and real-time remote diagnostic, THINKDIAG is capable to perform full vehicle module scans for advanced diagnostic, including read and clear enhanced manufacturer fault codes, live data stream graphing, bi-directional functions actualization test, and more with just your smartphone. THINKDIAG supports 15 maintenance functions, including ABS bleeding, engine oil lamp reset, brake reset, tire pressure reset, steering angle reset, and more. Instead of using different and expensive tools for each car model, you can work on 115 car brands with just THINKDIAG. THINKDIAG provides a thriving THINKCAR community in the app where users can share their experiences with THINKCAR products, their common interest in cars, and DIY repairs. Come and join your fellow car lovers in our app. THINKDIAG. Turn your smartphone into a professional mechanic's diagnostic tool.